impressed, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're always.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Jen Rodriguez. I am back with yet another Love Me Hair review. Yeah. All right, you guys. So no, this is not the wig I'm reviewing. This is from the last review, okay? So I'm going to do something really different. I'm actually going to try to do like a mostly one-shot switch up because this next one shouldn't take that long to get to or install. So I just want to show you how quick and easy it is to switch up your look when you're ready, and that Love Me Hair got your back, okay? I'm just saying. I don't work for them, y'all. I don't get no kind of, I'm not an employee, okay? It's not my company. I'm just saying. But, I just love Me Hair. They've been consistent. They're good, you know what I mean? And they really care about their customers. So shout out to them. Thank you for this wig. Let's get into it. But first, you already know what I'm going to say. All the YouTubers say it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss a thing, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. So you already know we're going to do a little unboxing. See what we have inside. Most of the stuff I did in the last video, so I'll kind of show you. It came with some wig caps. It came with a mirror, came with a bonnet, came with a new little tie-down thingy that we really don't need. So it came with a lot. Of course, we have the queen herself. We will be reviewing this realistic Yaki straight bob with bangs. It's good for minimalists. It's good for people who want an undetectable lace. And it's really good for people who love a good grab-and-go wig, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look at some pictures, kind of see what the site looks like, right? So this is what it's looking like. Love that. The website also shows you the difference between silky straight hair and Yaki straight hair. Unrealistic scalp. Okay, let me know what I can look forward to. And it looks like it's 12 inches. So I am really excited to try this on. Now that's 12 inches. Okay, so that was 12 inches. This is the 10 inch. So this is about where it falls when it's 10 inches long. I honestly don't know what length I have. We're gonna find out together. So let's do it. Here's what we got. We have the bangs, Yaki straight texture. On the inside, it's got a couple combs on the side to help secure the wig. I know it's kind of hard to see with the bangs, but it's got a couple combs on the side there. And it has a comb in the back. It also has a non-adjustable band, but the band is good for me because I want it to feel secure. Okay, I need something to make me feel like it's secure. So I'm gonna give this a try without crisscrossing the adjustable bands in the back. You know, it has those two bands that you can move around with the notches at the bottom. It has that as well, of course. So I'm gonna try to leave that alone. All right, so it said with the camera realistic scalp already, so I'm not gonna worry about doing a whole lot of makeup with it. You know what I'm saying? Oh yes, baby. Okay, so I love that this fits really well already. I didn't have to crisscross the bands. There is our realistic scalp. I love that this does not require any sort of lace. Like no lace melting, no spray, no glue. You can throw this on once it's styled and you're good to go. For a good fit, we look for that dip, baby, dip. Come on now, dip. I like my bangs a little longer, but it's kind of nice. If you just want shorter bangs, obviously you can cut them, or you can reposition the wig if it's comfortable for you. Just bring it back. I've got my flat iron going. I'm gonna test it out, see how it does with a little heat. I'm gonna maybe turn the heat on about 300. Nothing too high because it looks pretty straight already. But this has bangs, so I don't know. I might go through and see how else I can kind of style it and what I can do with it. I am loving this. I love the placement. I'm loving this, you guys. Look, let me tell you something. It's so hard for me because I do want to go through and try to style it different ways so you guys can see all the different things you can do with this wig. But at the same time, this right here is just, it's giving. This is giving all by itself. It's like done. It's done. It's done. It's done.
Honestly, I can tell you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy. I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad I've been sticking out
through and cut my bangs because they're feeling a little bit long. So if you're ever at home and you want to try it, just take a nice comb like this, a good cutting comb, and I'm going to just point cut into the hair, not too much. That's also a good texturizing method if you feel like the ends are a little bit too blunt for you and you just want more texture. Just take your comb, hold it away from your face, and just do some cutting. As you can see, my shears are closed until I'm ready to cut. But you're cutting straight up and down, not across, but straight up and down, and just kind of looking and seeing that you're taking a little length off there. But you want to have it as flat as possible and not like too high up like that, or even like middle. You don't even want it that high. You really just want it off of your face a little bit so you can see. But there we go. Now I feel like I can see. I have so many ideas with this hair already in terms of like photos I want to do. So I'm going to do those and then I will. Yeah, I don't care about that. Never mind.
That Friday, you take it all night. She made it cry when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me back.
Show me how you do
Pick it up. Why you tryna find the pieces when you lift it up? Why I like when you sit when you take it up? Yeah, you know that I'm bad. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. That Friday, you took it all night. Too bad, I've been sticking on your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. That Friday, you took it all night. Dressed to impress, no stress, though they're waiting. I keep them waiting. Makeup on fleek, high heels, ripped jeans, they're all waiting. I'm on my way.
All right, you guys, that's my video for today. I hope you enjoy learning a little bit more about this wig and seeing a couple styles that you can use. Who knew that a bob bang wig, big bob bang. Who knew that a wig with bangs actually has some good options? So let me tell you what I love about this wig. Everything. I know I say that a lot, but really, I love everything about this wig. The cap is great, the fit is great, the hair feels great, it can be curled, which is really, really nice. I love the bangs. I love that they don't come already too short. They come a little long, so you can, pull the wig back a little bit if you want, or cut them if you want. Very versatile, you guys. I just love it. I've already gotten so many compliments on it. I took a break and had to run and do some hair and makeup and, run on the store and all that. I've gotten so many compliments on this hair. And it literally, like I said, it took me like 2 seconds to put on, you guys. So it's a win-win. So check out the description box for the direct link to this wig, and don't forget to use the coupon code GEN20 to save 23% off. Like I said, it's a really good price right now. You know what I'm saying? A really good price right now. And if you grab it, let me know what you think about it. Send me some pictures, DM me or something. Let me know what you guys are doing with it, because I love seeing you guys cop these with me. And we twin every now and then, so I love to see it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the love. Catch you guys next time. Bye.